If you try to relate to existence by looking only at what has been created, you leave out the intelligence of the architect. There are two universes, and there is a relationship between them. The observable includes everything our sense organs can communicate to us. The realizable universe can't be observed, only realized. Anything that has actual meaning is realizable. What is the reality of yourself? It's not what you observe. It's only what you can realize. Understanding can't be observed, but you can realize it. You can't observe the truth, but you can realize it. You can't observe meaning, but you can realize it. If we look for both the observable and realizable aspects of phenomena, we may enter into their essential meaning. The purpose of relationships is to bring us to understanding the observable and realizable aspects of existence. Why then are relationships so difficult? Those difficulties are there in order to help us see we can't solve problems by dealing only with the observable. We have to come to the realizable too. In the realizable, you find the meaning of whatever you're having a problem with. And that meaning is not separate from the meaning of your own existence. Through the meaning, you come to unity. Another way of saying it is the universe is two things, meaning and form. You can't find form in a meaningless universe. And you can't find even one grain of meaning that doesn't have a form. Meaning and form are always together. If we relate to both, we have a real relationship. When you study a part, it's impossible to know what it is, unless you see it in relation to the whole. You can take one cell of the body and put it under a microscope. You can describe its components and even break it down into electrons and electrical charges, but that's all you can say. You still can't understand it. But when you look at it in relation to the whole, you can see that cell is part of the body. Whole and part have to be studied at the same time. The meaning and purpose of relationships is to bring us from the part to the whole. Looking that way, the part becomes something new that relates to a greater whole, and that whole, in turn, becomes part of an even greater whole. Continuing, you discover that all dimensions of existence have to be included in order to truly say, I understand. One way to look at the universe is to see it's made of 4 cosmoses. First, there are cosmic ingredients. Subatomic particles, for example, are cosmic ingredients. When the ingredients come together, they form cosmic formations. Atoms are cosmic formations, whose cosmic ingredients are subatomic particles. At the same time, atoms are the cosmic ingredients of molecules, which are even larger cosmic formations. This relationship continues all the way to the largest macrocosmic phenomena. Skipping ahead, the 4th cosmos is cosmic unity, in which everything that exists in unity. The 3rd cosmos, that of cosmic entities, is the most difficult to understand, yet very necessary to understand. This cosmos is very important in the life of the universe and for man. Cosmic formations combine, but they don't form a cosmic entity. Each of us has the potential to become an entity, but as we are and as we live, we are not real entities. To become a cosmic entity, we have to enter a dimension of consciousness in which we can understand and relate to cosmic formations and cosmic ingredients, and at the same time, be conscious of cosmic unity. To become a cosmic entity, you need to be conscious of your own existence in the moment. A cosmic entity can move towards unity. Only when you know yourself do you begin to know the realizable. In that knowing, you see that you and the ultimate have never been separated. This understanding is inherent in the kingdom of heaven is within you. You doesn't mean the person you see in the mirror who has the name people call you by. You means you as a cosmic entity.